Good morning, students. In previous class, I said about the climograph of Delhi. Now we are going to discuss about Chennai. Generally, these two clamographs which is giving in 10th class examination. So that's why variations also asking. By giving of two clamographs side by side, they are questioning and comparison also happened. So that's why in examination point of view, both are most important. So that's why I am questioning you. I am giving you an explanation about Chennai also, yeah, along with the Delhi. So you also compare Chennai and the Delhi clamographs, both are side by side you can draw and you prepare fair notes. So here Chennai, what about the Chennai? The climate of the Chennai is generally, I will explain about the Chennai. Chennai climate is a marine type of climate. Chennai climate is a marine type of climate because Bay of Bengal sea coast is there. Beside the Bay of Bengal, Chennai is there. Chennai is very very near to Bay of Bengal. So that's why there is no high temperature in all three seasons, whether summer or rainy or winter. There is no high temperature. There is no low temperature also. There is almost all the average temperature is in summer or winter or rainy season 27 degrees to 27 between 30 which is recorded. So in case of Delhi, the temperatures variation is very high. Suppose in January month the temperature is very low. In May month or April month the temperature recorded very high. So there is a lot of difference is there in Delhi point of view. But in case of Chennai, the temperature is very low. So that's why they will compare both the clamographs. One is the Delhi, one is the Chennai. So that's why I am explaining here Chennai clamograph. I said clamograph means the two values, two things, that is temperature and rainfall. Both are which is given in only one graph, that is clamograph. Here you see Chennai clamograph. On x-axis months, on y-axis left side millimeters of the millimeter of the rainfall, and degree centigrade on right side degree centigrade temperature given. And above two line graphs are tells about the temperature, bar graphs tells about the rainfall. So this is the combination. Next, here the temperature is given 0 to 40 degrees and rainfall is given 0 to 350 millimeters. So first question here, in which month the maximum temperature is recorded in Chennai? Maximum temperature is recorded in Chennai. That is you see here maximum temperature is recorded in April month and May month. In both months maximum temperature is recorded in Chennai. Answer is April and May. April and May. In which month highest rainfall recorded in Chennai? See here, highest rainfall. That's happening in which month? See, this is tells about October. This is tells about November. November month. Answer is November month. November month highest rainfall is recorded in Chennai. In which month the lowest rainfall is recorded? Lowest rainfall. See once. February, March. Lowest rainfall. February and March. Lowest rainfall recorded in February and March. And one more is, in which month maximum temperature, minimum temperature minimum temperature is recorded. Minimum temperature which month is recorded means December month, and one more is January month. You write January and December and January. In 2 months. So we will compare. I said why these two areas are recorded different way, temperatures and rainfall. That is the most important. So after writing this one, you write you take the pay notes from this one, and I said just now Chennai climograph. In previous class, I explained about Delhi climograph. The variations. Why in Delhi the temperature is recorded in June, July, May month very high. Very low temperature is recorded in January month. What is the reason? But in case of, I said already important thing, that is the North India area, and which is nearby Himalayan region, but there is no surrounding of sea and other things. That is a middle area place, not surrounded. It's a middle area place, and not surrounded any type of oceans or seas. But here in case of Chennai, Bay of Bengal is there, and another side Chennai, another side. That is the Tamil Nadu coastal line, another side Indian Ocean also there, Tamil Nadu south side. But here the marine type of climate is the most important thing for effect of coolness and moderate of climate which is happened in Chennai because of only Bay of Bengal. So that you identify student, you compare the students. I am asking remain things in coming next topic. Okay, up to that you observe this one. Thank you students.